over the past year, I think the nurses have really worked very hard. They, as you've said, they're at the front line of this effort to prevent COVID-19 in Guyana and to reduce the burden of the disease. Initially, during the pandemic, they really put themselves at risk, and they continue to do so. But because we now have PPEs and available, that risk has been significantly reduced. But we are also introducing vaccines, and we have offered those vaccines to our healthcare workers in the first instance, and a lot of them have taken their vaccines, but there are still some others who have not taken their vaccines. And so today, as we celebrate International Nurses Day, I want to make a special appeal to all our nurses to make sure that they go out and get their vaccines for those who haven't done so as yet, and for those who have, to encourage others to get their vaccines. Because we know that these vaccines work, they're safe, they're effective, and one way of protecting themselves and protecting their families is to ensure that they get the vaccines. We want to also acknowledge the contributions they've made to patient care, to comforting families, because again, sometimes this go unacknowledged, and it's tremendous work, takes a lot of personal toll sometimes. And so we want to thank them for all this work that they have done. Many of them have gone beyond the call of duty. We want to thank them tremendously for all that they've done, the sacrifices they've made, the contributions they've made. And I think because of their collective efforts that we have seen, the cases have been more or less where it is. And they continue to work to make sure that we get to herd immunity, and that's a very important thing. So I just want, on behalf of the Ministry of Health, on behalf of the government, on behalf of the people of our country, to express our gratitude to the efforts and contributions of all our nurses.